Hey, hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you on how you can set up a camera shake controller with your voice. So let's say you're playing a horror game and every time you scream so loud, you want it where the camera shakes uncontrollably. This blueprint here that I'm providing to you guys will allow you to do just that. So simply go to the description below, download the text file, and then open the text file up in a notepad or something like that. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to do Control A, then Control C to copy. Then you're going to go into blueprints right here in the Warudo editor. Go to the three dots here, which is called More. Import blueprint from clipboard. Control V, then press on OK. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the I button right here to enable it. And then by default, it's going to be, well, for your case, you probably don't have the microphone set up, but you can at least see on my end that it is starting to work. So what we're going to do is that you're going to assign it to the microphone of choice. For my case, I'm using voice mod, virtual microphone, but you can set it up to something else. And then over here in inspect value, you should be able to see like your microphone level. So maybe again, for my case, it's a bit too shaky for my liking. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, take a look at the numbers as I'm talking. So I could do like a, and kind of get that sort of idea on the values. And then I could just change this number to what, change the number to what kind of fits a little better. Now, again, I don't recommend keeping this blueprint on all the time. Only when you really want to use it. Again, if you're playing a horror game, you could then enable it and then go like, ah, or something like that. Let me actually try like increasing the value. So negative, let's say 5. No. Negative 10. Let's say talk. There you go. See? Something like that. You could just experiment. So, negative 60, pretty much is like the default, like here. So you could try like negative 10 or something maybe a little higher, like again, negative 1 or something like that. So I'd say mess around with the value, but negative 10 seems to be kind of like a sweet spot number, but experiment. And then, yeah, pretty much, it should already be connected to main camera, so it should work. If you do want to have this set to a very specific camera, then you can disconnect this and then assign it to a very specific camera of choice. But, really up to you. You can even change the value as well. So if I were to, again, go here, set that negative 15, you can, of course, change the sustain time on, like, sort of, like, how long, like, kind of like, how do I say, the shake, like, when the camera shakes, how long does it kind of, like, do a slight shake for? And then you have decay time as well. You can increase, decrease, kind of see which one is, like, what looks best to you. Again, the values by default should be kind of fine, but customize it to your liking pretty much. Let's say maybe like this, or maybe something like like you can see how I'm like testing it. Decay, so yeah. And then I could just put this back to negative 10 so I don't have to be doing that. So yeah, so you can pretty much, that's pretty much in a nutshell the audio camera shake. I do recommend, again, mess around with the settings, maybe even mess around with your microphone settings, so, that way the shaking doesn't happen too often. But again, when you're not using it, please make sure to set the blueprint to be disabled. Like if you're not playing like a horror game or something like that and you don't want the shake to be every time, disable the blueprint. You can also even actually make a toggle for the shake. Actually, let me show you how to do that. So you can go into add blueprint here. Let's name this to cam shake toggle. And then let's say whether you're Stream Deck. So if you're a Stream Deck, you could type in Stream Deck trigger here. If you're a keyboard user, then type in keyboard, or not keyboard, keystroke. Okay, there you go. And then on keystroke pressed here, so you can do it to either one, whether keyboard or Stream Deck. What you're going to do is that you're going to type in blueprint and then toggle blueprint enabled. And then for either Stream Deck or if you are, keyboard, you just set this to the audio cam shake. And that way, every time, let's say if I were to press number 1, it pretty much allows me to toggle that blueprint on and off. Very convenient. I also named this to cam shake toggle. So there you go. But that's pretty much, how you can set up a cam shake and even a toggle to turn it off and on. I hope that this tutorial helps you out and have fun with the blueprint, and have a lovely day, everyone! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!